Okay, we're going to go through what we have to do this assignment. So here we have problem 2003 TrigStar local contest. First thing we do, we put our paper over our TrigStar handout. We go ahead and mark the vertices. Okay, so then we do the vertices there, and then we're going to do the vertices there. Okay, we've got it. We're going to take this sheet off now, and we're going to go ahead and connect the dots. This is our sheet, so we're going to work on this thing, and we're going to practice our TrigStar. We're going to figure out how long it takes us to make one of these. Okay, so here we go. We got the first triangle done. We're going to come down here with our straight edge, and we're going to put our second triangle in. And boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now let's communicate here. We're almost done. Okay, so we drop that auxiliary segment. Let's do it. Okay, there we have it. So we go back to our sheet. Here's our sheet over here on the side. And you notice we're on 2003, so I'll put that up here so you wanted to know. Remember, your bottom of the sheet has this on it. Okay, so this is A, there's a right angle here, this is B, and then this is C, E, F, H, G. Okay, so let's get ready. Okay, so I've got my handy calculator here. Notice I don't have a TI-84 at home. I've left it at school, so I'm using my trusty old TI-89 titanium. It does the same thing. If we look at it, looks the same thing. Let's clear it. Oh, we want to check mode. Normally I work on this thing in radians here, so I'm going to put it over to degrees and say enter to save. Okay, I'm going to take tangent. I'm going to take tangent, and I'm going to take the tangent of 45, and I get 1. Okay, so let's get ready. I'm going to put my calculator on the right here. I'm going to get ready to do my contest here. So I'm looking for it to start. We're going to start, and we're going to start in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, distance AB. I'm going to call that A. I'm going to put in my calculator 56.15. Store alpha A, enter. So I put that over here, A. Then I put BC into B. Okay, so there I've got it. 116.25, store alpha B. Enter. Okay, I'm going to find this angle here, CBA. Okay, so CBA, this one here, it's my question mark. I'm going to use the inverse cosine ratio. So angle B is equal to the cosine inverse of A over B. Okay, so let's get that one. Inverse cosine. Okay, inverse cosine. That's the problem using a calculator I'm not sure of. Inverse cosine alpha A divided by alpha B. Group it, enter. 61 degrees. So that's what on our answer sheet we're going to put 61 degrees. And then we're going to do minus 61, enter, times 60, enter, 7 minutes, minus 7, enter, times 60, enter. Okay, and this is going to be 3.99, so that's 4 seconds. Okay, we got that answer. Now we want to do AC. Okay, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to go square root, and that's going to be b squared minus a squared. Alpha b squared minus alpha a squared, and we've got 101.79. Okay, we mark that down. We're done, and it's 4:38. 4:38. We started at 2:30. Ooh, I talked too much. It took me 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Remember, your goal is to get this done in 2 minutes. Okay, let's get ready to move on to the second problem now. Okay, I'm not going to talk as much. Just going to kind of like do what I'm doing, but not much more. Okay, we're going to start this. Oh, we got it. Let's start it right now. It's 5:05. Ready, go. Okay, distance FG 133.95. Store alpha A, enter. Okay, and that's FG A. Then we've got GFE. GFE. This is going to be B here. Okay, let's put that in. 119 plus 29 divided by 60 plus 56 divided by 3600. Store alpha B, enter. Okay, so that's B. I got to put a circle around it. Okay, then we're going to go to FGE. FGE. That's going to be C. Okay, so that's my angle C. Okay, 16 plus 14 divided by 60 plus 55 divided by 3600. Store alpha C is in Charlie. Okay, there we've got it. Okay, we're looking for FEG. FEG. Question mark. We're going to put that one in. We've used up ABC. We're going to put this in one in D. Okay, 180 rule. 180 rule. So we got 180 minus left parenthesis alpha B plus alpha C. Alpha C group store alpha D, enter. Okay, that angle is 44, 25, 25. So let's convert it. Okay, so we take 44 minutes, right, as degrees, write that on our answer sheet. Minus 44, enter, times 60, enter, 15, right, 15 minutes. Okay, minus 15, enter, times 60, enter, 9 seconds. Okay, we got that first answer, and that one is in D. Okay, what's going next? Distance FH, auxiliary segment. Okay, let's see. We've got this one, we got this angle, so FH on my work zone, FH over alpha A is the sine ratio of C. So FH is going to go into, then we're going to put that one in E. Okay, so we're just going to take sine C times A. So alpha A times the sine, blue, of alpha C, right parenthesis, store alpha E as in Edward. Enter. Okay, for that one, that went in E. Okay, this is E, and FH, the distance was 37.48, 37.48, 37.48. Okay, so that's my answer. Next one, I want distance EF, EF. Okay, I got an angle here, angle here. That's a hypotenuse. I'm going to put that F, F. Okay, so F is going to be, let's see, EF, EF. See it back there? Ooh, EF. Let me slide it up a little bit for you. EF, EF, EF. EF's a hypotenuse. So I've got FH over EF is equal to the sine ratio of D. Okay, so there we have it. So I'm looking for EF. I got FH is E. Okay, so I'm going to switch positions with these two so that EF is equal to E over the sine of D. And I'm going to put that one in F. Okay, so alpha, alpha E divided by the sine of D. The sine of alpha D, right? And we're going to store that one in alpha F, F. Okay, we got 57.71, 53.71, 53.71. Okay, so now I'm looking for GH. GH. Okay, GH. Where's that one? GH. That's this one. We got this one. We're looking for GH. So GH is going to be G in the tangent ratio. So E over GH is equal to the tan of angle C. So GH will change sides, is going to be E over the tan of angle C. We're going to put that one in G just in case. Okay, so let's do it. Alpha E divided by the tan of alpha C. The tan of alpha C. Alpha C, and that's going to store it in alpha G. Enter. 128.60. 128.60. Okay, we got that one. Now distance EH. Okay, distance EH. Got that one, got that one, got that one. EH. Okay, we're going to call this G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we're going to put an H here. Let's see what we're going to do to find that one. How about if we do Pythagorean theorem? We got F and G, or we got F and E, Pythagorean theorem with H. So H is going to be EH, and that's the last one we need. So it's the square root of F squared minus E squared. Okay, let's go get that one right away, and we're done. Okay, square root. There's my square root button. There it is. Okay, alpha F squared minus alpha E squared. That's what happens when you're working with a calculator and you haven't used it in a long time. You forget where all the keys are. So we got 38.47. 38.47, and we just finished at 12:09. 12:09. Okay, that should have taken us now what? 7 minutes to do that problem. Okay, that's our goal. 7 minutes. Okay, so let's tack it on. Let's say our goal is an 8 minute. 8 minute for now at your stage right now. 8 minutes to do that problem. Okay, so let's stop this for a second. I want to check my work, check my answers. Okay, so where did Mousy go? Mouse, come here, mouse. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back here. I went ahead and pulled up the web page, and I have the PDFs here stored here. And you could always go on a website, and I showed you in class, and find the answers. Okay, so here's what we did. We did this problem, and what did we find? Let's go down here. The first one, I redid this from scratch. We got 61.74, that matches up, and 101.79, that matches up. Let's go to the next problem. Let's kind of look at the answers down there. We got 44.1509. Okay, that one checks out. Okay, there we have it. And then we've got, I've got a scribble here of 37.48. Okay, remember we got to write legibly enough to read the answers when we write our answer sheet. And then we have a 53.71. Then we have right under there in G, we have 128.60. And finally, we have 38.47. Okay, it's doable. Okay, your goal is to make sure these problems happen in 8 minutes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this practice, and we'll see what happens. Okay, I'll see you when I get back. Bye-bye.